Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this video lecture. Okay, so now we have seen strategies to find roots of polynomials. And now we will look at some examples. Let's take a look at this example. Question is, find all the roots of the following polynomial. Okay, so let's think about our strategy. So the first thing we are going to do is we're just going to guess. So we're going to guess to see if we can find some simple root. So let us guess that 1 is a root. So let's see. And if 1 is a root, what will we get? We will get 0. So if 1 is a root, if we compute f of 1, then we will get 0. So let's see. So that is 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. What is that? That cancels. That is minus 6 minus 6. That's minus 12. So 1 is not a root. So let us guess minus 1. So let's see. That is 1. That is plus 1. That is minus 5 plus 1 minus 6. Okay, let's see. That is 3 minus 5 minus 6. That is definitely not 0. So minus 1 is also not a root. Okay, let's guess another one. Let's guess I. Let's see what we get. What is our polynomial? I to the 4 minus I to the 3 minus 5I squared minus I minus 6. Let's see what we get. So I to the 4, so that is I squared, minus 1 times minus 1 is just 1. I cubed, that is I times I squared, which is minus 1, so that becomes plus I. Minus 5I squared, that becomes plus 5, minus I, and minus 6. So let's see, minus I cancels with I, and 1 plus 5 is 6 minus 6. Okay, so I is a root. So I is a root of the polynomial fx. Okay, and now immediately we see fx is a polynomial over R. So since fx is a polynomial over R, minus I is also a root. A root of fx. So therefore x minus I and x plus I is a factor of fx. Okay, and this of course is x squared plus 1. Okay, so now what we can do is we can perform long division, divide out your x squared plus 1 to get the remaining factor of fx. So you perform long division of fx divided by x squared plus 1. So you perform long division. That we will leave as an exercise. And what we obtain is the following. So fx is equal to x squared plus 1 and the remaining factor is x squared minus x minus 6. So this is the same as x minus I, x plus I, and this quadratic is easy to factor. That is x minus 3, x plus 2. So the roots of fx are, what are they? They are plus I, minus I, 3, and minus 2. So there are 4 roots, and since we were working with a 4th degree polynomial, once we've got all 4 roots, we know that we have all of them. Okay, and that is it for this example. I will see you in the next one.